longest stay in the mid humni Manipur upon the later presented a handba poini a lady by Manipuri situation China station Tatopong of the Dana without the book Kitang Miami cooperation the game Miami blessing the game Miami blessing the game peace Kitang Hanjal the gay Salaga Yamarwina India ki Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister Singhi conclave ama Chandigarh Honorable Prime Minister ki makhada Modi ji ki makhada akoi phambani madudai dai koi different issues mayam ama khanara matungda aikoi ki oiba tongana ya maruina Peace Hanjalakna bagi potuma just government, central government and the state government is trying hard. Yang kanna hona biri, matang security ki meeting ki makal makhagi tau kana madu haido puya ba kaya da ba kaya le masima. Yang kanna peace resort ongna ba hona biri, adu ki damta central government, honorable PM, honorable Union Home Minister, the party ki leadership ay thagat chari, moina torme mayam du ubada. The second point that Honorable PM Union Home Minister Manipur ki Yamaru displaced persons lady Singi Hongjan Bamoy Yawana si Hana Mating Taunaba Haidana to be a point of Wakanda Togomatam de Koi Yumayama Hongjan Bayabuka di Mayamasu and a Kangwera around 700 houses in Matabayum Sare at the Hongjan Nagiba Mayama Masuyaure. The Sigi Matata, when a housing Krabibu, housing Kitan Bibi, the Maramdi, school college the lady, but Yum Home Bayadriba, school college the lady, school college the lady, but privacy out the lady, but Sayam of Makayana, privacy late the lady, but displaced person is in now both hill and valley. My temporary housing, Hanagi, I am confused with the housing. You may sacre of Cockrabuggy, Hanjanabi, the Mutadi already by Lepagaleco, Lamangagi, Ohungi, Latare, Lepagaleco, RCC, Kumakabas, or Matamaki situation here, Canadian. Fits like Remaduki, the already sanctioned like Fuziki, Anubashina, Mukarigino, Habakanda. I call school college the lady. Privacy Fangriba, Mayamsi, Aduga, Kitang home with the Matam Sanga, the Rose, so Jampur Matam Sangan, so Imphal the gate, so Jampur Sanga Matam Sangani, Moria Matam Sangaya, and I went to Kanaba Zagazin Haidarakara, Sigi School College, Dumnation Besna, Academic at Prosperous Sukaire, Adugamu, Lady Mayam young warrior, privacy like Trubanina, Aduna Haidabasin Sigi, privacy pin and a bookie. Yum kind of view on a hexabani. Yum kind of view hypocrisy the Huziki when I Honorable Prime Minister, the Honorable Union Home Minister, I appreciate the way Yum listen Tariat Huziki when a handba pide. Yum listen Taris the Vishnupura, listening Amaga, Taramanga, affected areas in Nipo. I am pushing the Sandil, the Yum Samaga Tramatoi, Soshan put the listening of the song, put Tramatoi. Imphal is the Samaga Mokramari. Imphal West the Sunny Kunmanga Zilibam, the Han already cannot organize the Kaksing the Lisinamaga, Sunny Taratret, Kamzong the Budraga Mari, Kampo Pilisingam Sanipan, Roundon, and the key Tenopal Sanipanga Marfudra. Sumata Water 7,000 music order Pibire, I am Pibire. Sigimanunda. Huziki Vishnupur Gumba, Aduga, Ate, Kampopi, Sojampur Sagado Ristada. Pema Gimakatala, Peshaji, Pipuna 1.3, Tungwamanina, Madudaki, excess Kara, Yumoina Libayana, Pio and a home minister, another Moidigi, 4 lakhs Kumba per houses, especially General Gitanataba, displaced persons in the 4 lakh is happy haidana madugi yum lising ani ga changa muki tongan ba funding amani aduga punna torokana hujiki school college le reba sing se tongan ba mapam khara yenge koi menogi phowala gi area khara saba bu ji hore adagi moirang gi da bishnupur gi da koi gi sericulture ki farm lai riba hore kangpopi ki jaga yenghalli dosanpur ki su jaga yenghalli sumai torokana displaced persons in the hana priority period of Mogi, Yumum Tuna Saraga, privacy like the number of the priority of P, the number Madu with the Honas of the Masida, in sanction to whatever honorable Prime Minister or Indian Home Minister leadership. I appreciate the jury. Aduga highly similar proposals in urban area. Urban area the sugum sadurisi seen a general guinea affected area nataba sigi the sokoi proposal proposal to lay the urban later maps adagi amana aikoi yam nungai ba mana aikoi gi national highway gi hana panlaga leiramba project kuntraga nipan dispute leir maidare project 38 National Highway the Shuba Madu clearance I am Baloina Nahangi meeting the Nitin Gatkari get over meeting to the Madu clearance Laire Adi the National Highway 37 gi Mapam Karada land compensation the Pig from the Piro the Piro from the Pira dispute like Budu Honorable Union Home Union Mort Minister Gatkari Ji kind enough Mamadugi 100 something land compensation gitu NICN na moi PR to ni highway assurance pire adugi mathakta hujiki work a lot of riba jaga magi jaga ni di harga tender loi da khota balam piba the dispute lai ramna na ngai repairing si kana to do no NICN la to do ra state government to do ra contractor na to do ra na confuse lai bisum chu yam clarity yam lai na nangi akoi meeting the wale blow re the high riba sigi work lampidana lai riba thaba khawriba jaga sing sigi any kind of maintenance the NICN la purani madu bidu suga daba contractor sing no NICN dagi permission lorga dum suba yani haidana sima duma yamna clearly na wale na re adu instruction lai re yam nungai ba second abana high riba project kunipan music sathari ba poni National Highway project for Nipan City clearance lower another 1,000 crore 1,000 crore say highway where should drain later but the highway the period impact Singamaki Matek Hiro Adagi say Lamlongi Hiro Lamlong sit home overbridge out of the land so many things Sumamayam Ziggy 1,000 crore engineers honorable minister Adal Hori engineers in the program of DPR Peggy Semakana 1,000 crore to give been in a vote hill in the valley. Siki Posime Koi, a young Kana Koi Madugi, sanction ki level that Maya Piri Hatari of Paliloktoga. Adagi Amoana Yamunai Babana Kugi hills area, the Tampaki area, the Koi Valley city area, see the urban area. Greater Imphal yauna akoi concrete road hogodore concrete road ki tender nungder loire loan ki negotiation ki hoji stage le high university ki mathakta ikoi na kaino da ministry da ikoi na sumai tamna hill gi lai ba district headquarters sing se hill gi lai ba district headquarters sing sigi surround at least kilometer 35 ki radius su cement concrete to ngu gi ya PBU high na to matam da highway singi district headquarters in the selling by highway sing duma maduma moina madugi funding moilo torane duga highway na tabugi alternative funding na akoi atopa funding lor kanda at least 8 kilometer 8 to 10 11 kilometer koi district headquarters in jisu loina koi keno chargani concrete road sima adagi amuk yam nungaiba mana amuk aikoigi ai kanon kirudisisu honorable minister MOBC man MOBC pai bagi bai gunaba matam da mana aikoigi development last 5 years mamang gi han batam gi madugi aikoigi achievement mayam mangon utpa matam da he was surprised akoina residential school sagaliba ukhul gi LM block da sagaliba tamai da sagaliba adagi kaino da senapati da sagaliba residential schools adagi sabana manda adagi hell ki si mayam si ubada ina mangai aina through MOBC a hill area Manipur hill area ki landscape se change so bani na yengo na video du yengan ba the practical in minna ubanga da ma yam harau tro ka di sadadi aina hujita aina pai dai kari matin pang ngam ke to dagi sumai koi sum khanna ba dai koi collection mayam khanna ba ka dai koi Manipur si man sports ta ekoi si crazy oi ba du ba koi jati ni aduna masi koi ki stadium han ge ari ba mamam da saramba asimadi leire ado sidai da semja la dum to bone aduna ai world class ki football stadium bu mamadi ai saningi nang amadu to ya ga tra amount kya muk sang nei khudam da adagi phone to na sidai da concept note kai ge sema around 220 crore muki madu gi do ji jaga si thiri koi jaga suitable oi ba jaga ama thira kada ada masi sima ma ai di sumna da ai gi tweet ai gi x sumai nai honorable minister Kiran Rijiju ga phaminare sumai tongna tai development mayam su khana gare aduga sports ki stadium mai matang su khana gi na ai final oi thaga ta bani adu ba na badugi ai na thagle du gi reply the will do it na ma react or retweet or ki bani aduna means haiba sigi stadium sima tuna sanana ba madugi concept not kari thasi manung dal sanction ngambri yang siana baina akoi wari haini sima adagi third point da sai haiba si thau bolai khoi hojik relief da lebiri ba yamna awaba mayong na riba mayam gi ekoi moigi paisa pending leibasing 25,000 thado ka da ba khoto ka da mayam da loina madu repair ta ka thado na ba leire adui matakta 1,000 per head bi bani 1,000 per head bi basi ekoi mari rak bi kre aduna handaki su lai ba koi ningo chakau bagi mama diwali gi mama seida amuk hanna inmate kudingi 1,000 do tuna ningo chakau ba ma di diwali gi mama nangna ba mipum mamam da imung da nate ko person mamam da lising mamam thadok podo madu ma thadok sarani aduga government gi employees gisu tolo by 31st tolo pencil dorga mayam do koi na war ga la pore akani na madu gi do khra ga do shumadin panga bana koi madu gi manage or kanda by 31st before 31st koi sigi tolo ne pencil le sisu thadok na bagi koi ready leire adu mayam bai jage aduga kainoni koina hujiki ngasagi singi district headquarters in the packet ka doriba akoi gi kainose concrete road sigi 175 crore ne sigi all together sang road se sigi matak dang si media da kari rakha social media da kainogi CRIF ki central road infrastructure ki moigi adu dai da singi yawi na khara confusion khara le madu adu gumba leite mainly CRIF mani flood ki si flood affected areas in Delhi ya ma chakki bani adu ji koi singi su ma flood na sok ba jaga si noi na cover to gani madu ada final list form ri ada koina 117 list habada only 57 katani central government of the sanction to raise adno 180 crore yama lady madu dai da soidana koi hill ki honorable MLA sing gi mai magi lei area da lei skok thiba jaga sing soidana CRIF ki fund su yor kani haiba si mai mayam da maduma insurance ai tawjabani hana 200 out of akoina 399 crore thabada 217 crore di sanction lakrabani sima adagi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯃꯥꯜ ꯁꯥꯏꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯈꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯈꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ 170 crore ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚꯂꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯦꯂꯤꯚꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯋꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯄꯣꯖꯦꯜꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯂꯤꯚꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯋꯦꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯀꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯦꯌꯥꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯁꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯤꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯍꯦꯗꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡꯒ ꯐꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ITSZ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯍꯦꯗꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯒꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ elevated highway si la kan da si hen masat hian gadra or insecure roigda highway khanal kan da realignment na ma tong na ba elevated highway ma sa bai du ni compulsory aya da gi so ya ba pire oi mode ki NITCL ki khutang ta ur si haidana madu ma ba pire aduga madu ki realignment na ma pham ahum thong ni gi madu final ta ru madu ma tong ni adagi mayai lambi almost aikoi nong sina kari na tau bugi kitang aikoi na pothole karke leba mayam si continuously hujik babu ngasi babu nong leptri mayam no piram gani ado koila sa de hek carbon no sing kitang pakpada yada bani na madugi poni adagi amuk Imphal manung si de amuk overlapping tok na ba concrete road la kada bolai na badu de amuk lambi amuk sem badu yada na pothole gumba main bana tana lambi aso bugi scheme wa program ko Imphal manung urban area da tawroi hujik concrete road ki adum haurani haida tabak loir bani na aduna sumai to guna aikoi ki handaki aikoi na numit ini humni ada lairuba honorable PM ki makhada tawreba post da number 1 ai ngasai thamure this initiative am seriously ada center na yam phajuna thawa yauna lobiri set ki tanara ga punna sidagi mi thadok thajin contact tok loina in kind of the state government konan punna haidar ko central government yam kana choba item lori adagi mathakta aikoi relief ta lebiri ba wana tarab singsi nga sai moi punna khanar matungane housing ni mafam da housing sagat pa yana ba displaced tor ba chingia dunga lising tare yum lising tare ni bira ise adagi temporary oina school college da saidanga ga leiriba privacy lecture leiriba singsi gi tongana sadokna bagi madugi proposal aikoi madu adagi adum approve tobire aduna stadium ma si posi leire lambi thongi matang da 28 project highway gi dispute leire ma koi shop tawre adugi mathakta kaino gi koi gi national highway 37 gi land dispute ki da compensation ki da leire ma potu comment na central government ma du biar to birani highway gi 100 adai bhugi manung da biar to birani highway gi assurance tawre duna railway gi thabak kano na landslide na maram moira kana dispute leire ma du railway gi thaba hokre aduna just we are advancing in spite of having this trying time she da koi development da kari da koi advance hoye economy GSTP na ai Twitter man thanga just we are increasing 18% GSTP koi henkali aduna mayam dagi amona Manipur praja mayam dagi aduga media gi sinno mayam dagi koi han dagi 23rd ki May ki 3rd ki mamang leramba yam peaceful loiba Manipur yamna development da mang sappa du Manipur ro mu hanjalang na ba koi jointly koi NDA ki colleagues mayam pullaga koi honari adu masida Manipur praja mayam na aduga media gi sinno mayam na mateng pangbiu adu pangbigani habi thajabusu hongdok chari haidna ismaina ai thamsege Sorchanpur ki si Live Tivani, misunderstanding Karamay Association Karaki Marta Fauna the Bugumba to Malay with the IDC and the policing the Rokanda unwanted incident Makatana, Thon the Naba, Honogana Hujipauda Yankahena, Adumba Song of Kono, Yaudrikara, agitated on the Kono of Natana, and the Yankana police law enforcement agencies in the Kana subside on the Honor. Masih apa yang details sekiroi, just apa yang in progress ni, in process ni. The whatever PIB na thadore itu, that is the officials. Ado na tabatai kanam ta, ado ki maram da ikoi ki site ki comment piba, piba so piba kiroi, ado ka piba so leitri. Just PIB na thadore pri Home Ministry gitu, that is the facts.
Namanya apa ki?
Kaino ni si Tawaning bakangbu, tawaning da bakangbu, mamang tagi lahab ni. Sige, tripartite talk kari kasi tu mamang tagi. Okay, beka sathar ka lahab ni ado na. Wadi sana ba itu matuk tay? Whatever the grievances. Tawon na traga tawdo ba tu na hiyang wadi sana matung lahab ni. Ato ka puji ko ina di ako section kuding maki. Wagi grievances tu ta ba as a government. Tangay fadi na damay na ifung tawa.
Tawon na ni Mukhyamantri ji jo aap minister और से पूछा तो नहीं. Tawon pending is tawon. You had an eventful trip with them. So what are the updates?
I really appreciate the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Union Home Ministers, and the others leaders because they have seriously concerning about the present situation of Manipur, and recently the Ministry of Urban has sanctioned for about 7,000 house to construct newly. The Ministry of Road Transport, Honorable Minister Gadkariji has sanctioned around 1,000 crores for development of the lab-out highway places in the state of Manipur. And my teams led by the Honorable Minister Works is still holding meeting in Delhi with the MOD officials, and that 1,000 crore also will be sanctioned shortly. Then another 175 crore for the construction of the concrete road in the district headquarters of the hills is also already agreed by the ministry. And in the Manipur like sports level state, I appreciate the Honorable Minister Kiran Rijiju who are looking after the minority and the other backward classes. He agreed to sanction around 200 to 220 crores to construct a world-class football stadium in Manipur. And above that, the Ministry of Road Transport also agreed to help monetarily in solving the land compensation dispute which was lying pending on the National Highway 37 Imphal Road. And now the state is marching ahead. Earlier the railway line construction was also stopped due to some misunderstanding and due to the past landslide incident. There was some problem of the land compensation, but now it has been settled and the railway line construction also has been started. Some people are always there who doesn't want to restore peace in the state. Some vested interests. But I sent one of my colleagues there in Jiribam and met all the public leaders from all the communities, and they have settled the issues, but it was not burned by a particular community to create communal, but it was burned down by self, which I cannot explain it now, which I cannot expose it now, but some vested interests group within try to create a drop off that so that the situation can make more exaggerate. So it will not happen. Now the matter has been settled. I sent one of my colleagues there in Geneva, and he stayed here 2 days, and everything is solved now.
सर दीपावली और निगम सरकार को लेके मणिपुर सरकार के द्वारा इंडिजिनस डिस्प्लेस पीपल्स को क्या
हाँ, निगम सरकार and Diwali, very important festival of Manipur and India. Just we are going to provide 1,000 rupees, 1,000 per head to the displaced persons. As before, we have already distributed 4 times. Well, as 5 times, we are going to distribute 1,000 each to each inmate. Around it will cost 6-7 crores. And above that, we are also going to release the pay and the allowance of the government employees, including pencils, before 31st this October, so that they can be used in the Diwali and the Ningol Sakopa. So, government is doing our best for the welfare of the peoples.
सर आपके द्वारा स्टूडेंट जो दिया गया 1 लाख एक फैमिली को देने के लिए उसको अभी तक मैक्सिमम मिला नहीं.
Already we have disbursed 25,000 each, but those who are not getting that 25, just every DC has collected their list, then that also will be released before this 31st. That 25,000 each.
Sir, literally a
Madhu Mahigi concern not democracy ni mama apa apa tong no pada kana mana tak kana. Kali la kadu kung bagar sulai te mamang kita nawai mi unasi kai na PM unasi kai na soi tong no ki lai kai na har pusi awe mai adu matse kano ni democracy ni mama apa bani praja na uri ishor na uri koi tong da thabak tor lo le ha soba. Thank you.